Yo, what's up guys, I'm in the video now. Shorts. A new thing to you, well, I don't know if it's going to be classed as brand new, but it's kind of new to YouTube. Yeah, you upload shorts and you do Alright then, shorts. As it explains, it's a short video under 1 minute, so people could be just scrolling for content and it's short content that you can watch and be entertained. That's why TikTok's such a big app now. We're on my shorts channel right now, as you can see. None of them really picked up at the moment. It's been like a month, like 2 months since I uploaded on this channel. Mainly because I've started doing shorts on my main channel, and let's have a look at them. I upload quite a lot of shorts, but this short right now, this morning, it came out, when did it come out? 8th September, it's the 10th today, innit? Is it the 10th? 11th, it's the 11th today, so it's come out on the 8th. It says 77 views. We go into analytics real quick. 138. And look how many people watch, like 70%-ish of the video. Shorts feed, see, mostly all the shorts have caused that views. So yeah, as you can see, look at that. In the last, today, in the early hours, blew up. Let's have a look, and look, it just blew up overnight. It hasn't blown up, it hasn't gone viral, but you know. So you can see it's like 64 in the last hour. So it is kind of crazy. So should you be uploading shorts only? No. No, you shouldn't be. Shorts, the one thing, right, that you upload short, that goes up where people scroll and you can get a lot of views for them, a lot of subs, and then you just grow your channel that way. Long videos, like a normal video, like how this one is, and then a portrait video, like the shorts are. That's how shorts should be made, obviously, is like that. So make short as well as content. But the shorts I recommend are gaming and tips. The shorts of like these type of shorts be here. The like perspective kind of thing. Well, POV then. And I have not changed that, say 69 days. That's just a coincidence. Shut up. But anyway, what should you put in the description shot of the description of a shot? I'm gonna quickly show you while we load into my main channel again. So like loading back and forth all the time. Right, let's pull up a shot that's blowing up right now. It's got like growing quick, but I'll slow down. As you can see, we're now here. I've got nothing in the description. I've only got, oh look, dead body shots. Oh, and literally the tags are shorts, short, and hashtag shorts. None of them ranked, nothing. You can always put more stuff in there. I've got gaming, and I haven't selected a game. It's literally all you really need to get a short to grow is to get it on the shorts page. So yeah, some shorts may do really well in the first day, like some of mine did, one of mine. But some of them may not take off like a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks even. And then maybe they might just blow up randomly. And that's kind of where everybody wants like a blow up shot, and then you get loads of views, and then like it just blows up from there. But one problem is the notifications will not go off on there. They will not be able to turn on notifications. If you see, when you're scrolling, there's only a subscribe button, there's no bell. So they're subscribed, but they have no content to watch. They can't like go watch some more content. So yeah, I've been uploading a bunch of like, yeah, that's all you really need to know about shorts. Upload them carefully. Don't do anything like stupid in them, like that could get you in trouble, because if somebody wrong into that, you're just gonna have problems. You're just gonna regret it. So just be normal. And yeah, if you need any more shorts tips, just comment down below what you are struggling with, and I'll make a part 2 if I need to. Anyway guys, that's a quick explain on what to do with shorts and to grow them. Goodbye.